In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new user in Salesforce. Whether you're an admin managing a growing team or simply new to the whole Salesforce platform, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can get your new colleagues set up efficiently and correctly. First, let's navigate to the Setup page in Salesforce. You'll want to start by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This icon is your gateway to a wide array of settings that allow you to manage users, security, and various customizations for your Salesforce environment. Once you've clicked the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to select Setup. Choosing this option will lead you to the main control hub for overseeing all aspects of your Salesforce instance. Once you're in the Setup area, you'll need to locate the Users section. Look towards the left-hand side of the screen for a vertical panel of options. Under the Administration category, you'll see a list of features. Here, you should find and select Users. Clicking this link will bring you to a comprehensive page showcasing all existing users within your organization. This page is your primary dashboard for managing access to your Salesforce environment. Now that you're on the Users page, it's time to add a new user by filling in the required fields. Typically, at the upper part of this page, there's a button or link labeled New User or Add User. Click it, and you'll open up a form designed to capture essential user details. Here, you'll need to input information such as the user's full name and email address. Both are crucial, as the email address serves not only as an element of communication, but also functions as the user's login credential. Be sure to enter an email that the new user has access to, since an invitation email will be sent to this address. This email will allow them to log in and set up their initial account details. To avoid any hiccups, double-check for typos to ensure the invitation lands in the correct inbox. At this stage, you'll also need to assign a profile to the new user. Profiles in Salesforce define a user's permissions, and it's important to select the one that matches their job responsibilities. You will likely choose between options such as a chatter-free user and a chatter moderator user. The chatter moderator user has broader permissions, including creating objects and overseeing data, whereas the chatter-free user has more limited access. Make sure to select a profile that aligns with the tasks they'll perform. After completing all the fields, it's time to formally add the new user by clicking Save. The Save button is usually located at the bottom or the top of the form you just filled out. Upon clicking it, you'll trigger the sending of an email invitation to the new user. This email is vital as it contains the link they'll need to log in and begin using their Salesforce account. And there you have it. Creating a new user in Salesforce is straightforward when you have a clear path to follow. Be sure to bookmark this video or refer back to it whenever you need a refresher on adding new team members. Plus, keep an eye out for any updates or changes in the Salesforce interface that might enhance or modify these steps.